Hi everyone, let's start. I'm Alexander Sityakov, CFO is the group. If it's possible, someone forgot me. And welcome to last part of the presentation is the gap. This presentation about goals and the achievement financial and legal department. And with this presentation, my colleague Irina, Evgeny, and Vita will help me. Okay, let's start. Okay, what is goal was in 2023 for financial department, financial legal department? Of course, the main goal is supporting business to 5 seconds. Can you, Sash, can you show all the presentation without comments for me? Okay, the main goal was supporting business for achieving plan which was in 2023. My previous presentation, I said that we achieved that result. So this goal was achieved by financial and legal department. The second goal, connection with. Okay, great. Thank you. The second goal will be connection with improving and optimize our financial and legal structure. We try to make more flexibility and more efficiently structure for doing business. We opened a new account, new merchant account, and a new company, but on this goal we will give more details. Evgeny Galinei is his responsibility. The third goal is preparing our company to be public. We have had to go to audit consolidated report under standard PCOB. It's very strong standard of the world, and we have done it. And more details will give Irina Demidova. And finally, goal was transfer all account functionality to ERP is our internal goal. And for me it's very important goal, because in 2022 we use a lot of the software and other approach to make a financial report, make accounting report, and the other. And we decided to use only one ERP system and transfer all the account functionality to this system. Okay, let's. And of course, thank you very much, my team of financial legal department, who help us to achieve the same this result. And special thanks Evgenia Zagaryukina, our HR business partner, who help me and my manager, my colleague, to motivate achieve this goal. Нашел. A little bit about team. Financial department consists from 62 employees, and we located in 14 countries of the world. The most our employees is located in Latvia. Is historical in Latvia, as Malta, after the Malta, Cyprus, and of course we have as a physical presence in new region, new countries, Armenia, Serbia, of course Georgia, and we have a presence in Australia too. Australia and USA. No, in the USA, in the USA. Why so much employee in financial department? My previous presentation, I said I present that we manage through 22 countries our cash flow. So the more in these countries we have a physical presence. We have legal entity, we have a bank account, we have merchant account, and of course we have employee, our employee. And for supporting, for legal supporting this legal entity, we need the same stuff. And of course, this is one point. The second point is we have to provide to business in interrupting process for bank, for monetization, and for bank payments. What does mean? If anybody go out, vacation, ill, and the other holiday, we need to provide our services any case, any of these cases. So in this department, in three departments, we have additional resource for minimize risk, mitigate risk, stop this processing. This is bank treasury, this risk manager, and financial control. This is process have to be uninterrupted all time. По-моему, здесь все. Ой, I'm sorry. Who is lead in financial department? Ladies are first. Irina Demidova, our chief accounting officer. She have been working a long time. She's a young woman. I don't this secret. Victoria Kwasha, she is responsible financial technical financial tech tech department. And Solita Kantika, she is head of treasury. Switch to men. And Evgeny Galiney, he is our chief legal officer, and he is supporting his responsibility to support our business under the legal issues, but not only legal. She's responsibility to open bank account, merchant account, compliance, and she is in she charge in workflow, Жень. Yeah, exactly. Walter, head of financial control. Vakhtang, he is in this place. Ariel and Maris, head of internal compliance control. This is I with my boss, big boss. Dmitry, it isn't you. I was a boss. What our plan on 2024? Of course, the main goal supporting business to achieve plan which we announced in our previous presentation. We are going to support business to achieve value of the game $1.5 billion and achieve revenue 600 billion or million billion million USD and earned net profit about $6 million. The second point is the our works. We will be improve our legal structure and improve our management of cash flow for more flexible and more efficiently using for business. This is second point. Third point, this is my pain. I think not only my this is connection with ERP, more than ERP, and we want to be our system more efficiently, more flexibly, and we have a huge plan for developing this system. Vakhtang is responsible for these areas, and I will be focused on this task much. And of course, we will be transparent on FLD process and work, which we started to do in previous year. Accounting, please meet Irina Demidova.
Hi, everyone. I am Irina Demidova, the Chief Accountant Officer. I want to tell you about main goals and results for 2023 and the plans for 2024. The main goals for our department in 2023 was to audit the consolidated financial statements for 2021 and 2022 in order to prepare for IPO. As a result, the financial statements have been audited and we received their positive audit opinion. It's a great result. I am proud that we have achieved this result with a team of 3 members. While if you look at the peers, the audit team usually consists at least of 15 people or more. But we wouldn't have done this without your help and thank you so much for all departments who give us a good support. As a result, we saved for about 3 million for this deal. Then we successfully returned 2 million to business. And at the end of the year, we improved a salary workflow, which helps to provide rapid response to queries and to be user-friendly in such a delicate matter as salary. Each employee of the company has the opportunity to use it and receive answer to salary in short time. At the 3 months, we start this workflow. We received 548 applications, and it have been received and successfully completed. Our focus in 2024. We plan to receive positive audit opinion of the consolidated financial statements for 2023 to support the rapid growth of the company by automating processes. Currently, we maintain 39 entities at the high level and they support the business to expanding into new regions like Japan. Many thanks to my team. You are the best. Victoria.
Hi everyone, my name is Vita Kvasha. I'm Chief FinTech Officer. Don't be scared, I have only 2 slides. I know that everyone is tired. Okay, let's start with the result of the previous year. First of all, we implemented cloud architecture alongside to our on-premise architecture. This dual approach enhanced the resilience of our payment system. Currently, approximately 35% of traffic is in cloud. Also, one more our result is that we improved payments acceptance rate for Cupid projects by 8% point. Thanks to the Moto team and to the Cupid Media team for great cooperation. Also, we engaged a new fraud monitoring provider, and we have advantage with lower prices and with faster implementation of changes. And here I want to say thanks to the risk management team and also to the ERP team for fast implementation. Okay, let's proceed to the focus for the following year. And our main goal is to transfer all traffic to the cloud in case to test a scenario in case of on-premise system failure. Also, one more our goal is to transfer anti-fraud machine learning system to a new architecture and to optimize its metrics. One more goal is to reduce fraud monitoring costs. We are dedicated to decrease them by at least 15% without compromising the effectiveness of this system. And finally, we are going to decrease manual risk management work by at least 10% by updating our bot Alice automated decision rules. That's it, Evgeny. Thanks.
So, as a Cypriot holding company, I should say Kalispera, my friends. So it's like Gamar Joba, like hello. So let's go to the legal part. What we were doing last year. So, as Irina previously mentioned, as Alexander mentioned, if we are planning to go IPO or SPACing or something, we need investments, our legal structure should look great so the others could understand what if every company is doing. So we had to liquidate some companies, open some new companies and work on the structure. Also, when the manager or the project manager comes and says, Zhenya, I need a new company because we have a new project, I need it really quickly. So typically we have this company and we can provide it in several hours. What else has been done? We have expanded the network. By network, I understand that we have opened 27 new banks and PSPs. This is not an account in a PSP, 27 accounts. It's the 27 new entities we have been started working with. We have also opened 4 new merchant accounts. Also, under the merchant account, we understand that there are lots of meats under them. And 3 new acquiring partners. We are also opening App Store accounts, 11 through the previous years. So we have a new company, we have a new account, and we always have an account where we can put some additional apps and have no risk to get spam risk. We have also secured business by application of 20 trademarks and 7 copyrights. And plans for 2024. New companies in new regions, so what we can expand in different, I don't know, as it was with Japan, when the first one was HR, I think, Alexei, who came to us and said, we're opening a company in Japan, can you do this? And we said, yes, of course we can. We're opening accounts all over the world, so it's just a new region for us, no worries. We will also expand the acquiring network. Again, Japan, we will have to find someone from Japan who will be acquiring our payments. What we're also planning to do, we're planning to make an easy compliance. So not making millions of threads where we're discussing why this we can do or we can't do. We will be making some resources and give you some information how to start the process. So Google and Apple by design, we understand, but the designers should understand why Apple or Google is asking for this, so they don't create unnecessary something. Also, the awareness of data protection, because GDPR has been developed in 2018, but previously no one cared about it. But now everyone does. They are asking for some clauses in the contracts, we are checking, and especially the customers know their rights now, and they know that the company can be punished for a lot of money, so we are speculating on this. Also, the InfoSec and crypto compliance. Okay, that's it. Questions for all of us, not just for me.